Hello, Sarah. Hello, Mai. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. I'm sorry because you joined earlier. However, I still had my previous student. All right. Can you hear me well, Mai?
Yes.
Very good. I want you to turn on your camera so that I can see you. So that I can see your beautiful face.
Now, because I go to
Why?
bed. I go to bed.
Because what?
I go to bed.
Oh, you go to bed. It's all right. I understand, my. Okay, you can still turn off your camera. All right. So anyway, how are you, Mai?
I am happy
Very good. Okay, how's the weather in your place?
in my house.
Yeah, yeah, you are in your house. Very good. What's the weather tonight?
It's raining.
It's raining. All right. Well, here in my place, it's not raining. It's actually a very good weather. Okay, so Mai, I want you to look at your book. Do you have your book?
Yes.
Okay, turn your book into page 15. Unit 2 in fashion, page 15. Can you follow?
Yes.
Okay, so this time we are now in exercise 3. I want you to match the highlighted words in the article to the meanings. Okay, so look at this one. Here are the meanings. 1, fashion or styles. 2, hold something in order to break it. 3, untidy or dirty. 4, young people in general. 5, someone's appearance. And 6, what people wear in general. Now, let's
Teacher.
go back to the article.
Teacher.
Yes,
Please
Mai?
highlight the word in.
Look at this one. This is the article. When we say the article, it's the text that we read last week. This one is the article. So, how many highlighted words are there? Let's circle.
One,
Highlighted words, this one,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four.
4, and 5. Okay, you are going to match the highlighted words to the meanings and exercise 3. Do you want me to give you an example?
Yes.
All right. So look at the first highlighted word. We have clothing. Oh, but first, let's write all the highlighted words. So we have clothing. Okay. What else? What are the highlighted words? We have tour. I know, not that one. It's here. Let me make it smaller, Mai, so that we can see. We have trends. Clothing, trends. What are the highlighted words? We have tour. What other?
Wait.
We have messy and look. So those are the highlighted words. Now this time, look at the
This is.
highlighted word. Okay. So which definition here can you match with clothing? Yes,
Hello,
Mai?
teacher.
Oh, hello, Sarah. Well, It's nice to have
Yeah.
you join our
Yes.
class.
Highlight.
So, actually, Sarah, I want you to turn your page into I want you to turn your book into page 15, unit 2 in fashion. Can you
Forgot it.
follow?
Can I the
It's
switch?
okay. Yes, no problem. We can have the screen, of course. Okay, so we are now in exercise 3. Okay, all we have to do is to match the highlighted words. These are the highlighted words from the article. And here are the meanings, but we have to match it. So look at the first highlighted word, clothing. So what is the definition that you can match with the word clothing? For example, for example, okay, clothing is what
Fashion.
people wear in general. That's number
Tiêu rồi.
6.
Đâu
Do
rồi?
you understand? Do you understand, Sarah and Mai?
Bóc một có mất tiêu rồi.
Yes.
Very good. Now, what about trends? All right, I want you to
Trend.
match it.
Young
Uh,
people in general.
Có
try
gì?
again, Mai. What about you, Sarah?
Trend. Trend
Trend.
is
What's the
young people in general.
try again?
Mẹ con vô được rồi nha.
Try
Try
to find
again.
another answer, Mai.
Trend.
Trend.
Fashion. Fashion. A style.
Yes, that's right. Fashion or
Yeah.
styles.
Style.
Very good.
Dạ này trời.
Okay, now what about tour? Your turn, Sarah.
Hôm
What
nay
is the
thức
meaning of
luôn.
tour?
Mẹ. Rồi đi xuống. Mẹ vô được rồi.
Hello, Sarah.
Is untidy or dirty.
Oh, nice try. Your turn, Mai. Tour.
Tour. Oh, tour. Sorry. I speak Chen too.
I
Teacher.
want you to read your answer.
Messi number 4.
Oh, no, no, no. We are still here in tour. Number 3.
Me or Sarah.
Không, tôi là số 3.
It's Mai. What's the meaning of tour, Mai?
Tour.
Untidy.
Hmm?
Try
Yes,
again. Tour.
Tour is
Một cái mà nãy ông nhét vô. À đâu? Lấy
young
luôn.
people in general.
Mất rồi.
Try
Lấy cái này ra.
again.
Oh my god.
Nó đi giật giùm tôi.
Okay. I
One more
know
try.
someone appearance.
All right. Actually, tour me. This is the past tense of tear.
I don't know.
Tear.
Okay.
Tour. That
Tear.
means we're going to break it. Tear the junk food. That means open it, tear it, break it. Pull something in order to break it. That's tour, past tense of tear. All right. Now that pulled something in order to break it, that's the meaning of tour. Now, what about messy?
Messy is untidy or tidy.
Very good, Mai. Okay, what about look?
Young
A
people.
look is someone
Look.
appearance.
That's right, Sarah. Great
Oh.
job. So for exercise 3, you got 4 out of
Five.
5, like that. So I'm going to show you here here the paper.
Cái này nó mặn.
Okay, this is what tear means. You are going to break it. This one, tear, tore. All right?
Tor.
To pull
Zero.
something in
Yeah.
order to break it. That's
Thấy
tear.
không?
So tore is the past tense. Do you understand, Mai and Sarah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this time, let us practice talking. I want you to pay attention to the talking point. I am going to ask you a question and you answer in a complete sentence. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now your turn,
Không
Sarah.
có anh.
Why do young
Bấm đúng không?
people like
Nhưng
to
mà lấy cho
dress differently from
này.
their parents and grandparents?
Cái này là tôi ngồi tôi coi thoải mái
What
quá
is
thì
your
nó
answer?
còn mình phụ huynh đáp hết rồi bây giờ thì mình đưa cho anh. Nhiều gì.
Yes, Sarah?
What?
Yes, Sarah?
What? I don't hear it.
Why do young people like to dress differently from their parents
It's
and grandparents?
because it's fashion and beautiful.
Yes, because of course, sometimes our parents or grandparents' fashion are not in style at all. So young people like to dress differently to look beautiful and to go with the trend. Okay, Sarah, do you dress up like your grandma?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Oh, wow. So, what kind of clothing do you wear that is the same with your grandma?
There's a long trouser and t-shirt.
Yes, of course. Even me, I do that one because that's a very simple and comfortable clothing to use, and we can go anywhere. All right, thank you for answering my question, Sarah. Now your turn, Mai. Why do you think that people choose to dress like music stars?
Because it's pretty and sometimes um it's shy in the dark.
All right, yes, to look pretty. And of course, to look like the celebrity. Because of course, let me give you an example. Oh, what about you, Mai? By the way, let me hear Mai first. How about you, Mai? Why do you think? Actually, Sarah, you have a good point. Very good. How about you, Mai? I want to hear it from you. Why do you think that people choose to dress up like the music stars,
Yeah.
such as Taylor Swift?
Because I think because it's very beautifully and it's trending in TikTok or Facebook.
Wow, very good. I love your answer, Mai. Yes, you are right. Because it is trending. We can see
Yeah.
almost everyone wearing the same kind of fashion. In Facebook, in TikTok, many celebrities are recommending it. Okay. Then, of course, most of the music stars promote it in their videos. Okay, so what are the fashion now in 2025? Okay, so these are the different fashion in 20. Oh no, trendy clothes. Let me see. Let me search trendy clothes for young people. like this. Oh,
Yes.
actually, yes, like this one.
Yes. Yes.
Actually,
Yes.
I can see. Yeah, so here are the trendy
It's hoodie.
clothes. Yes, for party, very good. So of course, we wear different costume in different events. If we are going to the beach, we wear swimsuit. If we go to a party, we wear formal clothings or beautiful long gowns like that. So it really depends. So you are right on that one, Mai and Sarah. So now let's move on with page 16. Okay, so which is learning about the grammar past simple. So you already know what is past simple. That means past simple is used when the action already happened in the past and it is part of the routine. For example, okay? So look, they listened to the same kind of music. So, what is the present tense of listen? We have listen. So, we just added ed to make it a past simple. Listen today, listened yesterday. All right? Okay. Now, look, we also have this one. Can you read number 2, Sarah?
What I don't hear.
I want you to read number 2, please.
Yes.
They didn't understand rock and roll.
Very good. So, look, that means it happened in the past. So, we just use didn't.
Năm nay không có cô Phú nữa.
Did not. Okay, when we say didn't, that means don't. Present. Did. Okay. Didn't. Past tense. Do you understand? So we have listen, listened, don't, didn't. Now, look at the last question, Mai. I want you to read.
What did they wear?
Okay. So did is also a past simple. We have do and did. Okay, now let's learn more verbs that are in past simple. For example, what is the past simple of go? We have went. What the past simple of look?
Buy.
Look.
Buy bought.
It look.
Buy bought.
A very good bought. So that's buy, bought. Very
Run.
good, Mai. What else?
Run. Run
Pardon?
ran. Run ran.
Yes, run, run.
Sing sang.
Wow, very good, Mai. Okay, now what about this one, Mai? Right.
Ride roads.
Great job. Now your turn, Sarah. What's the past tense of mm, what is that? Walk. Your turn, Sarah. What's the past simple of walk? What about you, Mai?
Walk. Walk.
Very good. What are we going to add?
And where?
What are we going to add? Walk, walk.
What
What
and
are we?
ed.
That's right. Very good, Mai. Okay, so those are what we call past simple tenses. So in using the past simple tense, we have rules to follow. Okay, look at this one. I'm going to make it bigger for you. So we have rules to follow. Look and read my.
We we use the past symbol to talk about finished past actions and states, regular verb, and 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 with the red in the affirmative, not commas. Both are included.
Very good. So you got it correct. The answer here is D
The red.
or ED. Very good. Okay, so what are the regular verbs? So when we say regular verbs, it end in D or ED. Just like dance, dance, like,
Dance. Like
like. Very good. Talk,
talk
talk.
talk.
Okay, so they are regular verbs. Now, if we say
Play.
irregular, play, played. Very good, Mai. Now, what about if we say irregular? Irregular means we don't add D or ED. This is when the spelling of the verb changes. It's like go, went, forget, forgot, buy, bought, bring, brought. So these are irregular verbs. All right? Do you understand, Mai and Sarah?
Yes.
Very good. Now, do you know more examples of
Swim
irregular
swam.
verb? What's that?
Swim swam.
That's correct, Mai. What about you, Sarah? Hello, Sarah. Are you there? Oh, I think Sarah's gone. Anyway, let's continue, Mai. What about letter B, Mai? I want you to look, read, and answer.
We from negative sentence with didn't plus infinitive.
All right. So
Didn't.
that's yes, didn't. Very good. We use didn't because it has negative here.
Negative.
When we say negative sentence, that means it is using not.
Did
So
do.
did not,
Did
that is a
do.
negative.
Didn't. Didn't.
Didn't. Very good, Mai. Okay. When we say infinitive form of the verb, just like this one, didn't understand,
Understand.
didn't
Verb
listen.
zero. Verb zero.
Like, yes, that's right. Very good. What about this one, Mai?
We from recent did with did plus infinitive.
Very good. For example,
Uh, did
what did
did
they do? Okay.
did
What
they go?
did they listen? Where
Yeah.
did they walk? Like that.
How did
Now, this time, Mai and Sarah, I want you to make your own sentence using,
3. Okay.
yes, three.
E
Very
or
good,
E
Mai.
G.
Very good. Your
Did.
turn, Mai.
Okay. Sentence.
Yes, please.
Positive and negative and
Question form.
question. Yes.
Now, what's your sentence, Mai?
Uh, I I ran with my sister last
Try
week.
again.
Nói
I
rồi,
cannot
bấm
hear.
cái này.
I ran with my sister last weekend.
Very
Last
good.
Yeah.
Last week or last weekend, that's all right. So that is
Please.
using regular verbs. Very good.
Regular
Now what
verb
about
and
didn't?
regular verb.
Didn't, Mai.
Yeah. I they didn't watch movie at night.
Very good.
Didn't
They didn't watch
watch
movie.
movie
Great.
at
Now what
night.
about a question form?
What
Một cái thôi đi.
A question form, Mai, using
what
did.
um what did what did you
One more.
go
What did
you go
you go?
you go
Like that?
yes
Okay,
yes
actually, we don't say what. We say,
where
where did you go?
where
Because
did you
this is
go
asking a place. Where? Where did you go? When you say, what did you go? That's wrong. All right.
yes
Okay. You can use what if you say, what did you
did
do?
you do
Yes. Okay, very good, Mai. Nice one on that one. Now your turn, Sarah. Make 3 sentences, Sarah, using regular verb, negative sentence, and a question form. Your turn. Hello, Sarah. Oh, by the way, it's already time. So save your answer on Thursday, Sarah, because I will get back to you. Anyway, Mai, do you have any question? Any questions, Mai and Sarah?
yeah no
No questions.
no
Very good.
no
So today we learned about the meaning of some vocabularies such as clothing, trend. What else? What are the words that we learned today, Mai and Sarah?
see
Clothing,
see
trends, look,
Regular and
tore,
verb regular
and
and.
messy. Then we use regular, we learned regular and irregular verbs and the past simple
see
of
clothing
verbs.
rental
Very good. So thank you so much for joining our class tonight, Maya and Sarah, and for your participation too. Thank you. So of course, I still encourage you to join the class on time. Mai, you are actually doing a great job. However, you're still late 2 minutes. Sarah, okay, I encourage you to join on time next time. Do not be late. So far, you did great because you participate well. So see you on Thursday. Goodbye.